Control panel operations. Today, on Pellet Tech Talk. Now that the stove is up and running, it is time to learn how to operate the control panel and navigate the software. You can find a written copy of this explanation in our newest online manuals. Links will be in the description. This is your control panel. There are several buttons and indicators that we will cover now. This is the infrared receiver. This receives the IR signals from the remote control. This is the power indicator light. This light will illuminate green when the stove is turned on. This is the alarm light. This light will illuminate red when the stove encounters a fault code, or when the combination function button is pressed. This is the main power button. Pressing this will start and stop the stove's operation. This is the information button. Pressing this will pull up the information menu. On the top half of this screen, it will display running information such as on or off status, current heating level, current run time, and eco and Wi-Fi indicators. On the bottom half of this screen, it will show a real-time diagnostic display. This shows which devices are currently engaging, as well as hopper temperature and room temperature readouts. This is the mode select button. Pressing this will change the current operation mode, which is displayed at the top left corner of the screen. For more information, see our previous video. New stove tutorial, part 2. This is the combination function button. Pressing this turns on the alarm indicator light. Then, pressing one of the following buttons will complete an alternate operation. Pressing the mode select button will activate the timer. You can use the up and down buttons to change the timer value. Pressing the enter button will activate the auger to continually feed, such as when priming. Pressing the exit button will stop the auger, such as once the auger priming has finished. Pressing the main power button will activate the child safety lock feature. To deactivate the child lock, make sure that the alarm light is off, and then press and hold the exit button for 3 seconds. Pressing the combination function button again will exit combo function mode and turn the alarm light off. These are the scroll up and scroll down buttons. These will allow you to scroll up and down through items within the menus, as well as alter the heating power level while in manual mode, or the desired temperature while in temp mode. This is the exit button. Pressing this allows you to exit the current selection, and will return you to the previous screen. This is the enter button. Pressing this button will highlight the current selection, or confirm the current selection on the screen. You can press and hold the enter button to access the set data menu, where you can alter current settings within your stove. The set data menu will be covered in another video. This is the default home screen. It will display the current mode, work stage, time, and other indicators. This box displays the current operating mode for the stove. There are 4 modes of operation: manual, temp, thermostat, and weekly. The thermostat mode requires an external thermostat. Watch for future tutorial videos for connecting a remote thermostat. This box displays the current operation stage of the stove, such as igniting, heating, stop, etc. When in the temp or weekly mode, this box will display the set desired temperature. You can adjust this by pressing the up and down buttons on the controller. This box displays the heating power level of the stove. When operating in manual mode, you can directly adjust this with the up and down arrows. When operating in temp or weekly, the stove will automatically adjust. This central box displays the current temperature of the room. This box displays the currently set time and day. Please note that this is always displayed in 24-hour military time. This box will display the letters ECO when the eco function is set to on. This allows the stove to cycle on and off to maintain a set desired temperature when in the temp or weekly mode. This box displays the on or off status of the stove. When the stove is igniting, heating, or in a standby state, this will show on. When the stove is powered down or in the fire off or stop modes, this will show off. This box will sometimes display messages from the application. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Until next time. On Pellet Tech Talk.